Welcome back to week 3 of the 5th grade unit Matter and Energy and Organisms and Ecosystems. The last couple of weeks we talked about the movement of matter. You set up your plant experiment, and now we're going to start talking about specific cycles in which matter is moved. So the first one is going to be photosynthesis, and photosynthesis is the transfer of energy from sunlight into Earth's energy, and that's done through plants. So this week, as you learn about photosynthesis, you're going to be continuing to build that paper that last week you should have already written your paragraph on matter in. So the first thing that I want you to do is log into BrainPop and complete the video on photosynthesis, which will look like the symbol to the left here. After you're done, complete the ungraded review and practice until you achieve the correct answers so that you understand the basics of photosynthesis. I'm not asking you to understand all the very in-depth pieces of photosynthesis, but you should understand how energy is transferred into Earth's energy. Then what I want you to do is log into Discovery Education and watch the video to the bottom left of the page. It's called Science Kids Photosynthesis, and it's about 15 minutes long, so just so you know as you'll search for it. After that, you're going to create a Google document titled Photosynthesis and take some notes on there. As you take notes, these notes are actually going to go straight into your paper afterwards. So this is sort of like the rough draft for the section that's going to be on photosynthesis. So on this document, I want you to first of all write the definition of the following words: nutrients, glucose, and oxygen, which are three of the main pieces of photosynthesis. And then I want you to answer the following questions. And try to write in complete sentences, because then it's going to actually help you in creating your paragraph. First question is, what is photosynthesis, which I've already gone over. The second is, where do plants absorb water and where do they absorb sunlight? The third is, what is the name of the place where sun energy is stored in the plant? The next question is, what is the name of the sugar created in photosynthesis? And the last question is, why are plants so important to animals and people? And I really want you to look specifically at photosynthesis and this transfer of energy from sun's light into Earth's energy. After you've completed those questions, you're actually going to write your 12 to 15 sentence paragraph on photosynthesis. And this is a little diagram to help you understand what you learned about photosynthesis and to remind you. So make sure in that paragraph you're writing in complete sentences, and I want you to answer the questions: what is photosynthesis? What is the basic process of photosynthesis? Why is this process so important to Earth? And how does this process contribute to the movement of matter? So not only are we looking at the process of photosynthesis, but we're also looking at how photosynthesis moves matter. And matter, remember, is something that has a mass and a volume. So think about that and kind of put things together this week. So by the end of this week in your writing connection, you should have the section on matter completed, and you should also have the section on photosynthesis completed. And that should be on your Movement of Matter in Ecosystems document.